can you shut the hell up?
Yeah, but I can't walk. I can't walk. Why? I don't know. Hey, what do you know how to walk? No, look. I put my hands on the ground. Do you have mods? No, I don't have mods. Somebody's making me not move. Okay, I'm in the same server. Let's go. Yo, wait, who's moderating? How can you guys move? I can't. Plus you have. Who's modding? Please. Plus you have.